Advocate John Welch, who starts to doubt that my statistics were right. I would like to ask him to go into the scientific literature and then look in the South African Journal of Surgery, and he'll find a publication indicating that exactly the numbers I gave this morning. I quoted several studies, but the main thrust of my presentation was a simple thing: the number of children coming each year to the Red Cross Children's Hospital with gunshots. There was a significant increase to the year 2000. After the law was implemented, there was a significant decrease of about 70%. And since the release of 1 million or more than 1 million gun licenses, it has gone up again. Not only at the Red Cross, also at Grutsker, also at Tygerberg, and through the whole country. So that's independent.